Hello everyone, welcome back to Competitive Scholar channel. We have already covered in the previous sessions three topics, that is Supreme Court of India in two parts. There we covered 100 plus MCQs. Next the second one is DPSP in which we covered 70 plus MCQs, and the third one is Union and its territories in which we covered 40 plus MCQs. Today we are going to cover the whole MCQ series of fundamental duties. So if you didn't watch the playlist, please go through it. Um, Now let's get started. So the first question is, the fundamental duties in the Constitution of India were adapted from option A Canadian Constitution, option B USSR Constitution, option C USA Constitution, option D French Constitution. So the answer is B, that is USSR Constitution. The next question is, which article of the Constitution of India deals with the fundamental duties? Option A Article 30, option B Article 50, option C Article 51, option D Article 51A. Please requesting everyone to do it by yourself as you have covered the theory concept, and check your answer from here. So the answer is D. Next question. Question number 3. Part 4A of the Indian Constitution deals with option A fundamental duties, option B fundamental rights, option C directive principles of state policy, option D citizenship. So the answer is A, that is fundamental duties. Next question is question number 4. Which constitutional amendment incorporated the fundamental duties in the Constitution of India? Option A 40th, option B 44th, option C 42th, option D 50th. So the answer is C. Okay. Next question. Which of the following are fundamental duties? Option A safeguarding public property, option B protecting the sovereignty, integrity and unity of India, option C developing scientific temper and humanism, option D all of the above. So the answer is D, that is all of the above. Question number 6. When fundamental duties were added to the Constitution of India? Option A 1976, option B 1965, option C 1970, option D 1992. So the answer is A. Next one. Question number 7. At present, how many fundamental duties are in the Constitution of India? Option A 6, option B 7, option C 10, option D 11. So the answer is 11, that is option D. Next, question number 8. In the Indian Constitution, fundamental duties are given in which article? Option A Article 12 to 35, option B Article 51A, option C Article 36 to 50, option D Article 19. So the answer is B. Next, question number 9. To uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India allowed in which article? Option A Article 51A Part A, option B Article 51AB, option C Article 51AC, option D Article 51A D. So the answer is C. Next, question number 10. How the fundamental duties are being enforced? Option A. There are no provisions in the Constitution for direct enforcement nor any sanction to prevent their violation. Option B. The High Courts have been granted the power to enforce the fundamental duties. Option C. The High Court have been granted the power to enforce the fundamental duties. Maybe it's repeated. Sorry for that. Option D. Any of the courts may issue directions for enforcement of fundamental duties. So the answer is A. Next, question number 11. Which of the following committee advocated the fundamental duties in the Indian Constitution? Option A Verma Committee, option B Sarkaria Committee, option C Balwant Roy Mehta Committee, option D Swaran Singh Committee. So the answer is D. Next, question number 12. Which of the following is not the fundamental duty? Option A, safeguarding public property. Option B, to obey the parents. Option C, to value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture. Option D, to spread common brotherhood amongst all the people of India. So the answer is B. Next, question number 13. Which among the following does not come under fundamental duties of a citizen in India? Option A, to protect and improve natural environment. Option B, to develop scientific temper, humanism and spirit of inquiry and reform. Option C, to strive towards the abolition of untouchability. Option D, all are comes under fundamental duties. So the answer is C. Next, question number 14. The fundamental duties were added to constitution because A, majority of the people wanted it. Option B, a section of people was not fulfilling its obligation of respecting the established legal order. Option C, the government felt this would ensure quicker progress of the country. Option D, the Supreme Court emphasized the need of incorporation of these duties in the constitution. So the answer is B. Next, question number 15. In 1998, which committee has formed to teach fundamental duties to the citizens of India? Option A, J.S. Burma Committee. Option B, Sarkaria Committee. Option C, Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. Option D, Swaran Singh Committee. So the answer is A. Okay. Next, move to the question number 16. How many duties were in the original constitution when the constitution was created? Option A, 8. Option B, 10. Option C, 4. Option D, 0. The answer is 0. Next, question number 17. Which among the following is not the fundamental duties? Option A, to abide by the constitution and respect the national flag and the national anthem. Option B, to promote a single religion. Option C, to promote the spirit of common brotherhood among all the people in India. Option D, to develop the scientific temper and spirit of inquiry. So the answer is C. Okay. Next, question number 18. The 86th Constitutional Amendment Act 2002 puts the duty on parent or guardian to provide opportunities for education to his child or ward in the age of option A 6 to 14, option B 6 to 10, option C 5 to 15, option D 6 to 16. So the answer is A. Next, question number 19. To defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so, described under which article? Option A, Article 51A, Article 51AB, Article 51AC, Article 51AD. So the answer is D. Next, question number 20. To protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India is the fundamental right of the citizen, fundamental duties of the citizen, directive principles of citizen, all of the above. So the answer is B. Okay. Next, question number 21. The 11th fundamental duty is related to health, environment, education, more than one of the above. So the answer is education. Okay. Next, duties like casting votes, paying taxes, family planning, option A are not included in fundamental duties. Option B are included in fundamental duties. Option C, some of them are recommended by Swaran Singh Committee. Option D, non-recommended by Swaran Singh Committee. So the answer is A. Okay. Question number 23. Which constitutional amendment incorporated the fundamental duties in the Constitution of India? Option A 14th, option B 44th, option C 42nd, option D 58th. So the answer is C. Next one is question number 24. In the Indian Constitution, fundamental duties are given in which article? Option A, Article 12 to 35, option B, Article 51A, option C, Article 36 to 50, option D, Article 19. So the answer is option B. Question number 25. Which constitutional amendment act was passed to To provide compulsory education to children between 6 and 14 years. Option A 82nd, option B 83rd, option C 86th, option D 84th. So the answer is C. Next, move to the next one. Question number 26. In which of the following years the fundamental duties have been added to the existent fundamental right, the Constitution of India? Option A 1965, option B 1976, option C 1979, option D 1982. So the answer is option B. Question number 27. Fundamental duties under Article 51A is confined to option A Prime Minister and his Council of Ministers, option B public servants, option C all those who run public sector enterprise, option D citizens of India. So the answer is option D. Next, question number 28. Which of the following statements is false? Option A fundamental duties are given in part 4 of the Constitution. Option B. After the 42nd constitutional amendment, fundamental duties have been added to the Constitution of India. Option C. In 2002, after the 82nd Constitutional Amendment Act, another fundamental duties was added. Option D. Fundamental duties are not enforceable in the courts of law. So the answer is option A. Next, question number 29. The protection and improvement of environment, including forests and wildlife of the country is option A directive principle, option B fundamental duty, option C national policy, option D both directive principle and fundamental duty. So the answer is D. Next, question number 30. Fundamental duties enacted in Part 4A of the Constitution are option A enforceable duties. Parliament can impose penalties or punishments for the non-compliance. Option B like directive principles are mandates to people. Option C like fundamental rights are enforceable. Option D not more than meant to create psychological consciousness among the citizens and of educational values. Answer is B. Next, question number 31. The fundamental duties were added to the Constitution. Option A to make the fundamental rights more effective. Option B to check anti-national, subversive and unconstitutional agitations. Option C to accord priority to the directive principles over fundamental rights. Option D to achieve all the above objectives. So the answer is option B. Next, question number 32. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Option A fundamental duties part 4A, option B directive principles of state policy part 4, option C fundamental rights part 3, option D none of these. So the answer is D. Question number 33. Article 51A of the Constitution of India provides for option A fundamental duties, option B promotion of international peace and security, option C fundamental right, option D DPSP. So the answer is A. Next, question number 34. The fundamental duties are option A justiciable, option B administrative law, option C empowerment, option D non-justiciable. So the answer is D. Next, question number 35. Which one of the following is not provided in part 4A? Option A to respect the national flag, option B to promote spirit of brotherhood amongst all people of India, option C to respect our parents and teachers, option D to preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture. So the answer is C. Next, question number 36. As per the Constitution, to cherish and follow the noble ideas which inspired our national struggle for freedom implies the following: A. An expression of patriotism, option B. A fundamental duty of citizens, option C. An advised ethical value, option D. A cultural value of India. So the answer is B. Next, question number 37. Which of the following statement is correct regarding the term abide by the Constitution as mentioned in fundamental duties? Option A. Every citizen should act according to the provisions of the Constitution. Option B. He should not do anything that is prohibited by the Constitution. Option C. Some of the prohibitions by the Constitution are the practice of untouchability, traffic in human beings, etc. Option D. All of the above. So, check your answer. So, the answer is D. Question number 38. Fundamental duties were added in the Constitution of India under the leadership of which Prime Minister of India? Option A. Narasimha Rao. Option B. Charan Singh. Option C. Indira Gandhi. Option D. Lal Bahadur Shastri. So the answer is C. Next, it is the last one. Question number 39. To cherish and follow the noble ideas which inspired our national struggle for freedom is defined in which article? Option A. Article 51AA. Option B. Article 51AB. Option C. Article 51AC. Option D. Article 51AD. So the answer is B. So thank you for watching and keep studying. We will meet in the next chapter in the next video. Thank you everyone.